Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up custom LED lamp notifications on ZTE Blade A72s. To do this, we'll need to open our Google Play Store. Right here in the top search, enter Notify Buddy. Install it. When it's ready, click on the open, move to the next step and grant 3 different permissions for the app. The last right here is battery optimization, which is optional to disable. I'm gonna leave it enabled and proceed. When everything is set, you can see that there's 4 different tabs: User, System, Active, and Settings. In User, you can enable and allow any app for a custom LED lamp notifications. In System, you can do the same thing with all system-bound apps. In Active, there's all apps that we've just activated, and in the Settings, we can customize our LED lamp with different size, shape, placement on the screen, or color. Let's click on the Test button and you should see the LED lamp right there. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.